When replacing a rotor, you will need a socket wrench, a digital torque adapter, and a Lockring tool. To replace the rotor, use the arrow on the rotor as a guide. The arrow should be facing up. Replace the rotor, then the spacer and Lockring. Using the Lockring tool, tighten the Lockring. Then, to ensure a perfect fit, tighten the Lockring according to manufacturer specifications using a socket wrench and the digital torque adapter. Lastly, replace the C-ring and ensure it is firmly in place.